check out that temperature. It's February the 20th and it's 73 degrees. Well, it's a pretty warm day here in Tennessee. It's February, what is today? February the 20th. It's in the 70s this morning. I think the high today is actually 80. That's ridiculous for this time of year, but we'll take it. We'll get some sawing done. I'm not sure what I got in store at the sawmill. I'm just happy to be sawing. Looks like I got some white oak here to saw, and if I remember right, that's going to be some more fencing boards for the farm. Nothing real fancy today, just finishing up this white oak log so I can move the sawmill about 30 feet over there, because right now I'm sawing into the wind and it's terrible. And I did, however, today, at the recommendation of one of you viewers, brought me some goggles to wear, so that would get me through the rest of these cants here as I saw them up into 2x6s. Like I said, when this is done, we'll move the mill over here and take care of that problem. I got some walnut on the ground over there to saw up and some more logs to drag out of the forest. And this video today was pretty much a good excuse to try out some new cameras I got. I got some new features on the drone that I've been trying out. And I got a new action camera as well, a little Sony action camera I'm going to be using as we saw today. So that's just pretty much a test run here today on these new cameras. I might as well make a video showing how they turned out for later reference. So anyways guys, as soon as you hit the like button below, we'll start sawing. Alright guys, I appreciate it. The reason I asked you to do that once again, get these videos out there, get a little bit more exposure for the channel. Hit 7,000 subscribers today, so it's a very good day here and it's 75 degrees. Can't beat it. Let's get this white oak sawed up.
life's not fair. You gotta move your legs while you still can. And I'm sorry for the things I've said. Discard the dark thoughts, keep the good instead. Feel the grass grow beneath your feet. To dirt you shall return, take only what you need. And one day, when your time ends, there will be little for which to make amends. So don't be heavy, no lighten up. There ain't nothing in this world worth giving up. So just try one time, give me a smile. Things are looking up, give it time. Oh, these trials, they come hard and fast. Though the wind may knock us down, my dear, we'll last. On the other is to lie down. No one ever sees clear, lying face to the ground. So don't be heavy, no lighten up. There ain't nothing in this world worth giving up. So just try, my dear, give me a smile. Things may look grim, but give it time.